Chuan and Jing joined a wholesale company together just after graduation. Both worked very hard. After several years, the boss promoted Jing to sales executive, but Chuan remained a sales representative. One day Chuan could not take it anymore, tendered resignation to the boss, and complained the boss did not value hard-working staff, but only promoted those who flattered him. The boss knew that Chuan worked very hard for the years, but in order to help Chuan realize the difference between him and Jing, the boss asked Chuan to do the following. Go and find out anyone selling watermelon in the market. Chuan returned and said yes. The boss asked how much per kilogram. Chuan went back to the market to ask and returned to inform boss the $12 per kilogram. Boss told Chuan, I will ask Jing the same question. Jing went, returned and said, Boss, only one person selling watermelon. $12 per kilogram. $100 for 10 kilograms. He has inventory of 340 melons. On the table 58 melons. Every melon weighs about 15 kilograms. Bought from the south 2 days ago. They are fresh and red, good quality. Chuan was very impressed and realized the difference between himself and Jing. He decided not to resign but to learn from Jing. My dear friends, a more successful person is more observant, think more and understand in depth. For the same matter, a more successful person sees several years ahead, while you see only tomorrow. The difference between a year and a day is 365 times. How could you win?